Okay, I'm excited. My keyboard has been giving me problems, and of course I have the computer shut down now, so you can't see it, the problems, but I'm cleaning the keys slowly. I shut the keyboard down, and I have this metal tool that I found in my toolkit. It's from a soldering set, and it has these nice little edges that curve under, so you can use it to reach under the keyboard, to under the keys, to scoop out any goop that is under there. I've tried blowing it out with canned air, and I've tried doing a few different things, but this is kind of cool because it can get a fair amount of goop out. Look, see, you can see I've already taken a whole bunch of stuff out from under the N, but you can see there's still some available, and I'm hoping that over time, after I do a few of these, that my keys will work again, because I really like typing on my keyboard for my computer rather than using an external keyboard. So let's see. So the vowels have been giving me trouble, so I'm going to work on those. See? You see there's a little bit of goop that came out here. You see that? See that? I feel like it's a dental cleaning instrument. Alright, U seems... no. U is not perfect. I see some little fibers coming out here. I made sure to power down first because I don't want any contacts to be shorted or anything like that, so I don't know what there is under here that might or might not. So, okay, let's try it. I think N had a problem. Let's see if M is okay. My vowels, for some reason, were kind of icky. And it could be just that the contacts are also getting worn, but at least this eliminates the possibility of the debris. Okay, that didn't look very good. Alright, I think this one has a problem. Okay, so you can see some stuff comes out here. And I will tell you, I have a dog in the house with very long hair. He sheds constantly. I see little bits of stuff. I don't know if you see it. I don't know. Oh, here. See that? Did you see that? Did you see that? Here, more. There. I got some good stuff here, so just right here underneath the space bar, see?
Okay, here I go.
It's on, isn't it on?
Yes, it is.
Okay. See all this stuff coming out from under the space bar? Look at all that. Ew, grosso. And then so keep working at it. If the keys come off, there's a way to snap them back on, but you just prefer not to get them to come off. Ooh, grosso, look at all this. Oh my gosh, no wonder that space bar didn't work. Look at all that stuff. Gross. Look. Okay, now look what's coming out from under M. Look at all this stuff. Oh my goodness, unbelievable. Oh, do you see it? Do you see it? Look at that. Ugh, grosso. No wonder M doesn't work. Hopefully it'll work after. Okay, keep working it.
Okay.
I already dug a whole bunch of stuff out of Jan. Look what's coming out of there. Oh my gosh, unbelievable. Yikes, look at that. Oh, more, there's more. Wow, unbelievable. Okay. Okay, we're testing the N key. Mary's gonna press it. Just call it out when you do it.
N.
Aww.
and.
Oh, finally. Okay, and still
Okay, it
needs
works in
not
the
to-
top right. If you press the top right of the key, it works fine.
So that means all of the lower left area needs to be fixed. Okay, let's try M.
Okay. M.
That looks good. That looks good. We dug a lot of stuff out of M.
Space bar works.
Okay, good. Not so bad. Okay, we'll test E. It seems to be having a lot of trouble. E. Oh, now it has trouble. E. Now it's, look, it's perfect. E. Darn that E. You got it?
Okay.
Look at all this stuff coming out of N.
So taking it apart wasn't an option.
Well, I wasn't sure I would get the keys back on.
Well, no, not pry the keys off, but usually laptop keyboards are one big piece. So if you get disassembled enough, you can get the keyboard out. And,
Well, I
do whatever you need
didn't
to do with
trust myself to do that. Maybe you can show
true,
me.
True.
Do you know how to do
There's a
that?
really good guide on from iFixit.
Look at all that. Yeah.
Now I'm wishing I'd had my electronics putty.
Okay, so after all of that picking and poking, still giving some trouble. It was. Still is giving some. So I turned it up on its end and basically did a lot of this to try to loosen anything that might be in the keys, and that seemed to help quite a bit. And I turned it this way on its side, this way on its back, and on its other side. So giving it lots of ways for things to come out. But that's pretty much what I've done so far. And good luck in fixing yours.